Today's Japanese slang term is Tagosaku Kobun because it's a speech template, meme template that's really popular right now. This is related to the movie Bakudan because in the movie Bakudan, there's a character called Tagosaku. This character was played by Jiro Sato because Jiro Sato was hired to play the character. And we know for a fact that Jiro Sato is aware of Tagosaku Kobun because he posted a very viral tweet about Tagosaku Kobun. Now, Tagosaku in the film is a terrorist because that's what that's the role that was given to him in both the film and the book that the film is based on. And basically, Tagosaku has set up a lot of people the bomb because he's not a good person. And he sends a video to police.
皆さんに警告です。都内に爆弾を仕掛けました。いくつも仕掛けました。
Explaining who he is going to blow up and why, because apparently he has grievances with a lot of different people.
厳正な審査のもと、選別した上で裁きは下されます。
And in this video, he lists the specific people that he is going to blow up and gives reasons why. But the people get more and more bizarrely specific, and the reasons get more and more bizarre because the movie wants you to understand that this character is not normal.
不老者は殺します。臭いからです。フェミニストは殺します。生意気だからです。前科者は殺します。どうせ再犯するからです。独身貴族は殺します。子孫を増やす気がないからです。同じ理由で3人家族は殺します。努力が足りないからです。金持ちは殺します。妬ましいからです。政治家は殺します。悪いのは全部お前らで。
And this speech style resulted in Tagosaku Kobun becoming a thing where you say you're going to do something, and then you provide the reason why, because it's very easy to imitate. Such as in this person, who notes that they don't turn in their sleep and they don't want to go to work because they have a cat. And so while clearly you can write down Tagosaku Kobun, it's actually more associated with videos because people these days can't read. I'll show you one used by a woman to promote her rice paper business because it's pretty well done and it went pretty viral.
晩ご飯には迷いません。ライスペーパーがあるからです。ライスペーパートレイ人気です。3日で100枚くらい売れたからです。
I'll also show you one that's framed around using Tagosaku Kobun to describe common things about being 30 years old and single. Because on the Japanese internet, it's very popular to take a meme and then make variants of it based on links to a certain group in the population, and this is a good example of that.
お風呂には入りません。1日ぐらい入らなくても人は死なないからです。休みの日は家で一人でネットフリを見て過ごしています。周りの友達みんな結婚して子供がいるからです。
Now, despite that the book that Tagosaku Kobun was based on was released in 2022, there seems to be no references to this speech style up until October of 2025. Because the movie was released on October 31st of 2025, people who read books, I guess, don't popularize memes on the internet. Pretty soon after the movie was released, though, you were able to find people on the internet referring to Tagosaku Kobun, but there weren't that many of them. Because I guess comparatively not that many people went and saw it in the theaters. It took until April of 2026 for viral tweets using the Tagosaku Kobun to appear, such as the one you're looking at right now, where someone talks about reasons they don't watch certain types of movies in very short sentences and then provides reasons afterwards. And the same month of April is the first time I can find videos on TikTok or Instagram using Tagosaku Kobun that are going viral. Because the film was released in Japan on Netflix in March of 2026, which led to enough people watching it that you could actually make a meme go viral based on the Tagosaku Kobun, even though it was recognized as we saw before that. So if you're using the Japanese internet right now, you can probably get a few likes by using Tagosaku Kobun, because the popularity hasn't totally died off yet.